Okay, so some of you might do not know that, and I did actually not know that, but my landscaper actually told me if you have, like we have since this year, a rain garden, which is connected to the roof, and if you also have like water barrels like we have also connected, you can actually save money. And I am actually not talking about just the money you are saving for watering the plants, but some cities, like my city, they have what they call a stormwater charge. And so I applied to the city and I told them that I actually have 2 water barrels to my local city, and that we have a rain garden now, and I just had to send them pictures as proof of the rain garden and water barrels. And interestingly, I get a small credit now every month on my water bill for the rain barrels and also the rain garden for the storm water, and that's what I'm going to show you next. So if you have that and you haven't done, check it with your local city if you can actually get a stormwater credit by installing these barrels, or maybe you already have installed them. Okay, and here you see we have the stormwater discharge, but then you see the rain barrel credit and also the rain garden credit, which I just told you, and you get that every month.